Since I have all this copper and I might as well start melting some bars, figured I would go ahead and do that today. We got lots of copper here, so I guess I'll start by throwing a nice little chunk in the bottom. And I think since there's so much copper here, I'm going to mix it up between wires, small little wire, springs. We'll get a lot of this in there, see how it melts up, see what we get out of it. So let me go ahead and add all this to it. We'll make some copper bars. We'll have some fun and see how they come out. We're at 350 degrees right now, so we got a long ways to go, but it'll be fun. And yes, I'll be using gloves shortly. So we've got the copper in here. There's a little bit of smoke. You probably can't catch it, but some of these wires sometimes have oil on them, so I'll be curious to see how they melt. If it's going to make a lot of black smoke in my garage, we'll keep an eye on it. But now it's time to cover it and let those guys melt down. We're at 464 degrees right now, so it's climbing quickly. So I've got one of my molds on top here heating up. That's how I like to start getting it heated up to get the moisture out. We'll use the flame torch on it next to really heat it up. That way when the copper hits it, it doesn't cool that quick. But I'll do that here in a few minutes. Temperature's now up to 1070. So copper should start to be melting right about now. And now it's going to work on getting it liquefied. Well, that came out a little bit short. Guess my guesstimation of how much copper I needed was a little bit off. Literally a little bit off. Bummer. A little bit off, but man, that's a beautiful pour. So I need to add a little more for this next round. I am not going to remelt that. I still like it. I kind of like that it's a little bit crooked. So it's a little lopsided. I misjudged it. As I poured it, the crucible cooled some of it, and that extra 0.3, 0.4 ounces just didn't show up. Still, I think it's fantastic looking overall. I do wish it was circular more, but you know what? I'll take it. Came out pretty good. Not too bad. Anyway, we'll do better on the next one, but I had fun pouring this one.